If you want to win with Facebook ads, then you should understand the psychology behind Facebook ads. This video is all about understanding why people spend time on Facebook, what kind of content they like, what kind of advertisements they like, and how you as an advertiser can make the best use of Facebook platform to grow your business. So this is the first video of the Facebook ads tutorial for beginners series I'm going to do on my channel. It's going to be a complete playlist of bite-sized videos where I explain to you about Facebook ads and its nitty-gritties, okay? Everything that you need to do to succeed with Facebook ads. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and also to subscribe to this channel. If you are a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner or even an e-commerce business owner, then this video is an absolute must watch. So without further ado, let's start the show. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I'm Anthony and I'm your host for today's episode of Becoming Alpha Marketer. We are entering episode number 26 and this is your go-to show to become a better marketer, save time and earn more money. So there are a lot of videos and content on how to hack the Facebook algorithm and how to trick the system, but there's so many hacks and techniques, but one of the most important thing that you as a Facebook marketer needs to understand is the psychology behind Facebook ads. First, let us break down why do people visit Facebook and Instagram. So when I say Facebook ads, I mean Facebook and Instagram because they are the same company and you can run advertisement on Instagram using Facebook ads platform. So first, why do people come on Facebook? Okay, so today we have this magic device, the mobile phone, right? And we are, literally addicted to mobile phones. Most of us are. And whenever we get bored, right, whenever we have some free time, the immediate behavior is that we reach out to the phone and start scrolling, right? We start scrolling. Okay, that's the behavior, right? So people open up Facebook and Instagram for the sake of entertainment. When they are bored, they want to be entertained, and for the entertainment, they turn to Facebook and Instagram. Now, you have to understand Facebook and Instagram as a reality show, okay? It's a reality show that's happening 24/7, okay? There is news happening, there are controversies happening, entertaining stuff happening, so many things happening. People are going crazy, they are creating content back to back, right? Everybody wants to grab attention there, okay? And everybody is trying to entertain the audience so that they spend time. They spend time to consume their content, okay? Now that's the behavior of the Facebook platform and the people who are consuming the content on Facebook platform. Now, what do people don't like on Facebook ads, right? When people scroll on Facebook platform or Instagram app, they don't like advertisements. Okay, they don't want to be sold, right? They came here for entertainment and you are selling them, right? So if that is the case, how you as an advertiser can win on Facebook? Okay, that's the important question that we need to answer today. So if people don't like advertisements, then what should you do? You still have to deliver ads so that you can run your business, right? So Facebook also understands this and Facebook rewards companies who understand this. Okay, so if you're an advertiser, how do you win the attention of people on Facebook and Instagram? Okay, so what you should be doing is you should be creating advertisements that are interesting, that are entertaining, that are informative, that are educational. Okay, anything but boring. Okay, don't slap an ad and say buy my product. Okay, rather make it interesting. Okay, if you do that, then you are playing to the strength of the platform. You are playing to the audience what exactly the audience wants, right? So here's the advertisement by Dunzo where they have used some nice music. There's an animation going on. They're trying to be funny and they've used a local language to connect to people and their emotions. Okay, so here's a sample. Right? So you can also start being creative and come up with advertisements that are entertaining. Okay, this is the most important part. No matter what kind of button pressing you do on Facebook, the best way to win on Facebook is by creating entertaining, educational, informative ads. Okay, so the attributes of a winning Facebook ad is that it is entertaining, it is useful, it is clear. Now all these things is in your hands. You have control. Now if you see that your ads are not performing, the only solution to that is to make the advertisement interesting. Okay, you have to start thinking, start being creative, and come up with videos, pictures, GIFs, whatever it is that makes the ad interesting. Okay. Second reason for a winning ad is to show it to the relevant people. If somebody is looking for fitness equipment, somebody is interested in fitness equipments, they are likely to click on the advertisement if the advertisement is about fitness equipments. Okay, so it should be relevant. This, to an extent, you can control it. Facebook has a lot of targeting options, but after a point, once you give enough data to Facebook, Facebook will automatically take care of it. Okay, you should pretty much worry only about how entertaining you can be with Facebook ads. Okay, now how Facebook understands whether your ad is interesting, engaging, how do they understand? It's a machine learning system, right? So what does Facebook do is they're very intelligent, they're very smart people. When you publish an advertisement, they are going to show it to small set of people. Okay, they will not show to everybody, they'll show to small set of people. And they see if people are sharing. Okay, if people share your advertisement, which is a very good signal, right? It is very difficult to make people to share. If you manage to do that, that's great. That's a signal to Facebook that people are enjoying your advertisement. Okay, what I'm showing you here is an engagement statistics of a ad that we are running inside our agency. Okay, so it has 1,900 shares. Okay, which means people are loving the content and they're sharing. Even though it's an advertisement, it is entertaining, it is useful for them, that they are sharing with others on their newsfeed. Okay. Second most important factor is commenting. Are people commenting? When people are scrolling, are they taking time to give a feedback, give a comment, whatever, good, bad, ugly, but are they engaging or they commenting? Okay, that's a signal to Facebook that the advertisement is, attracting people's attention. Are they liking? Okay, so they have an option to like and give all those kind of smileys. That is also an engagement factor. Okay, and lastly, are people clicking on your ad and going to your website page? Okay, so in the order of importance, first important trigger is sharing, second important trigger is commenting, liking and clicking, right? So the more shares you have, the more people the ad will reach. The more comments you have, the more people the ad will reach. It's not about just putting money on Facebook. Facebook is not going to take your money and show the ad to as many people as possible. No, they're only going to share your ad with people only if they engage with your ad. Okay, so don't blame Facebook for not giving you enough exposure. If you want to get enough exposure, then you have to play by the rules of the Facebook platform. You need to be engaging, entertaining and useful. So this is the psychology behind Facebook ads, and you should understand that this is the first step. Okay, before going into any technical stuff, you should understand this very, very important concept. So in the next video, I'll be talking more about the Facebook algorithm in detail as to how they do targeting, how they use their machine learning systems to find out the right people to show the ads. So don't miss that video, watch out for it. Now, if you are someone who wants to become a freelance digital marketer, or you're currently a digital marketing freelancer but want to grow your business and you want to be coached by me, then I have a program. It's called the 6-step formula to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Be your own boss, work from home and enjoy doing what you love. Okay, it's a free training. Okay, and in this training you will get all the information regarding digital marketing, freelancing and how you can grow your business. And all you have to do is just hop onto this link alphamarketer.in/coaching, and after this training, after this free training, I will be inviting you to a 90-day intense coaching program. Okay, so it's a application only program. It's not for everybody. We want to work with people who are the right fit for the program so that we can get results for them. Okay, so at the end of this free training, there will be an application fill in the application, and if you're a right fit for the program, then one of my team members will get in touch with you, and we can work together. We can coach you to become a freelance digital marketer or an agency owner. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and until next time, see you. Bye bye.